How to tie a bow tie. One. Start with the bow tie lying face up and with the left side, side A, longer than the right, side B. 2. Double side B over to make a bow shape, then cross side A over the bow from below. 3. Pass side A through the loop between the tie and the collar of your shirt. 4. Now pull side A out from your body. 5. And fold it into a bow shape to match side B. 6. Pinch the bow formed by side A together and pass it through the loop at the front of the knot. Pull the right hand part of side A and the left hand part of side B to tighten. That's all. Take a look in the mirror. It should be gorgeous. Congratulations. Bow ties are actually not that hard to tie, and self-tied look a hell of a lot better than pre-tied. Especially if you're wearing it with a tux. Put it this way, James Bond wouldn't go near a pre-tied bow tie, and who in this world looks better in a tux?